Have you ever thought about making money with audiobooks? Welcome to a world where words are not just read, but heard. Audiobooks are soaring in popularity, with more people tuning into their favorite books while on the go. The demand for engaging, well-narrated audiobooks is increasing, opening up a wealth of opportunities for those who know how to capitalize on this trend. From narrating to producing and even writing, there are numerous paths to explore. Stick around as we explore 5 exciting ways to make money with audiobooks. The first method to consider is becoming a narrator. A narrator breathes life into a story, transporting listeners to far-off lands, into the minds of different characters, and through the intricacies of plot twists and turns. The role requires a captivating voice, excellent pronunciation, and the ability to convey emotions and nuances through speech. It's not just about reading words off a page, it's about creating an immersive experience for the listener. And it's a skill that's in high demand. Platforms like ACX connect authors and publishers with narrators, providing a marketplace for your talent. As for earnings, they can vary. Some narrators get paid per finished hour, while others might receive a share of the profits. With the right skills and a bit of marketing know-how, you could earn a comfortable income. So, if you have a knack for storytelling and a voice that can hold an audience, consider narration. With the right voice and narration skills, you can turn this into a lucrative career. Our second method is getting into audiobook production. The magic of turning written words into an auditory experience is a fascinating journey that begins with a script and ends with a finished product ready for listeners' ears. You'll need a good microphone, sound editing software, and a quiet space to record. It's essential to have patience, a keen ear for detail, and the ability to bring a story to life through your voice. Once the recording is complete, the editing process begins. This involves cleaning up the audio, removing any unnecessary sounds, and ensuring the narration flows smoothly. The potential earnings in this field can be quite substantial, especially if you're able to produce high-quality audiobooks consistently. You could be earning anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per project, depending on the length and complexity of the work. If you have a knack for sound editing and production, this might be the perfect fit for you. Thirdly, you can make money through audiobook distribution. Let's delve into the world of distribution, shall we? It's all about getting your narrated audiobooks into the ears of eager listeners. This is typically done through various digital platforms like Audible, iTunes, and Google Play. Each platform has its unique set of rules and revenue splits. For instance, Audible offers a royalty system that can garner you 25 to 40% of the sale, depending on exclusivity. iTunes, on the other hand, offers a flat rate per sale. Potential profits can vary widely, but remember, the more listeners you reach, the more profits you stand to make. Additionally, some platforms even offer bounty programs, where you get a bonus if a new customer signs up to listen to your book. So you see, distribution is not just about getting your work out there, it's also about strategizing to maximize your earnings. If you have a business-oriented mindset, this method could be your golden ticket. Fourthly, writing your own audiobooks is another way to cash in. The process starts with an idea, a story you want to share with the world. From there, it's all about drafting, revising, and refining your work until it's ready to be heard. Once you've written your masterpiece, it's time to narrate. Your voice, your intonation can bring your characters and settings to life in a way no one else can. But it doesn't stop there. Now comes the publishing part. There are numerous platforms like Audible and iTunes where you can sell your audiobook. Earnings can vary widely, but even a modest success can bring in a nice little income. And let's not forget the satisfaction of sharing your own work. There's nothing quite like the feeling of knowing that someone, somewhere is enjoying your story. So, if you have a story to tell, why not make it an audiobook? Finally, the fifth way to make money with audiobooks is through affiliate marketing. This strategy involves promoting audiobooks on your platform and earning a commission every time a sale is made through your referral. The earnings can vary widely, depending on the price of the book and the commission rate. Some affiliates earn a few $100s a month, while others pull in thousands. So, if you have a large following or a knack for marketing, affiliate marketing could be a great fit for you. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money with audiobooks. First, we explored becoming a narrator, lending your voice to bring stories to life. Then we delved into audiobook production, creating your own captivating audio content. Thirdly, we discussed distribution, getting those stories into the ears of eager listeners. Next, we touched on writing your own audiobooks, crafting tales that resonate. Lastly, we looked at affiliate marketing, promoting books for a commission. With the right approach, these methods could turn your passion for audiobooks into a profitable venture. So why not give it a try?